Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This is AMRC, and I don't usually do this, but I just got a Freewing, my first Freewing jet, and I'd like to share the unboxing with you. Let's see what's inside this box. It's a jet I really wanted for some time. It's my favorite jet in real life. Okay, let's see what's inside. And there it is. A MiG-21 fish bed. 80mm EDF. This is the high performance version. Okay, let me get this box out real quick. Huge set of decals here. Whole bunch of decals, and you have a guide here showing you how to apply them. Different schemes: Russian, Vietnamese, Polish, and Czech. Okay, this is the other version. I would have preferred this color, but this is what I found in stock. Well, anyway, what I do eventually hope to be able to do with this is paint it in the Romanian Air Force scheme. Not only because I'm Romanian, but I do think it's one of the best looking schemes for the MiG. These look like the wing spars, smaller than the bigger one. Manual. Okay. A lot of information here on how to set it up. Let's go to the good parts. This is the left wing. Okay, this looks so nice. These big wheels, and this is actually my first plane with retracts. It's gonna be something new for me. Learn and get used to. Finish looks really good on this. Doesn't look like paint's gonna flake off. Okay. I wonder if these are metal gear servos. Sounds like it. And the flaps. That's really cool. Ah, god damn it. See, the paint stuck there and came off, but has nice hinges and connector for all the electronics in the wing. Okay. This is a vertical stabilizer. Wow. This thing is larger than many of my planes. There's the tailpiece. Also hinges, ball joints. Wonder how good these servos are. Guess we'll see. Okay, a couple of bits and bobs. Let's see. No idea what this bar is for, but let's see. Okay, this is the nose cone. Very pointy. See, it screws in. Okay, some glue. I don't know if I'll be using this. I'll check and see what people say about it. If you have any experience with this kind of glue, let me know if I should use this or something else. I have no idea what these are. Very coarse. Okay. And oh, this is bent. It's also very soft. I think this is the pitot tube. Okay. Screws and control arms. I'm gonna open these. Okay. See the second layer. Okay. This is the important part. Like the drop tanks, again very pointy. This plastic here, these are also plastic. They're a bit flexible. I don't know if I'll be putting these on straight away. They do look good, but I think this is the lower fin. It goes on the bottom of the plane, I guess. Okay, now the horizontal stabilizers. Wow. These things are huge. Well, I think this is what spark goes to. No. Not here. I have to read the manual. Really nice finish on this. I wasn't too sure of the silver paint version, but I really like it now that I see it in person. Okay, this is the second drop tank. I wonder why the first one wasn't wrapped up like this. Would have made it a lot easier to take out. Okay, the other horizontal stabilizer. Also looks good. Hinges, ball joint. Yeah. Okay, this is the tail end. This thing is massive. I think this part needs to be glued in. See, it has a hole. I wonder if this goes in here. Looks like it could fit. Have the connectors here for the elevator, and it has the servos here on the side. Yeah, that's nice. Servo for each half of the elevators. I guess it could be set up separately. Like stabilators, I think they're called. Yeah. This is it. Okay guys, this thing is huge. Wow. It's heavy also. Okay, so these are the connectors for the wings. This is where you screw on that nose cone. That goes on fairly easy. It just looks good. Makes it look fast even standing. Okay, let's check inside the canopy. Pilot figure is decent. Seems like he has a instrument cluster in there as well. Also a vent hole, so he doesn't get hot. Yeah, it comes through here. Guess it's for extra airflow. Okay, and the electronics side. This distribution board. So you got aileron, elevator, rudder, flaps, gear, and throttle. 6 channels. Really long battery connector. Battery leads actually. It's the EC5. Yeah. I'm gonna be changing this to XT90, or I'll see. I don't have any 6S batteries yet, so I'll need to invest in that. And this is the front retract. So looking good. And let's see if we can see the fan. Yep, there it is. This is the high performance version. Has an in-runner motor. Oh. I know the difference between in-runner and outrunner, but no idea how it affects the performance. If they say it's high performance, I have to trust them. I'll be looking to get a afterburner to go in there. That's a huge 100 amp Freewing ESC in there. So it's an 80 millimeter fan. I don't know if you can see through there. Whoa, yeah, I'm gonna be having some fun with this. It's really tall, long. I have to see if I can convince my wife to let me hang it on the wall at least after I build it. I don't know if I'll be flying this very soon. But yeah, it's a dream come true just to have it. If I get to fly it, it will be even better. Have to read up a bit on it. See See if there's anything I need to address before I build it and try to get it in the air. And I'll keep you guys updated. I think I'll be using a Spectrum receiver, something with safe probably. And let's see how it goes. Let me get the tail piece. Around. So this will go in here. And these go in here. I think apart from this tail piece that you need to glue in, everything else is pretty much screwed together. So it'll be something like this. Don't want to force anything in now. Okay, this thing will be huge. Okay, and let me know what you think, guys. If you have any tips for building and flying this, I'll be happy to hear it. Also have to get 6S batteries. I don't have any. It'll be my first 6S. First 80mm jet. And let's hope all goes well. I'll keep you updated. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next video.